Yes, forse implicitamente perché io...
Richard Montgomery, I'm the British High Commissioner. I'm based in Abuja and I'm on my first formal visit to Rivers State for at least 10 years. I was actually posted in Nigeria 10 years ago and I did come down to Rivers State then. But during my tenure as British High Commissioner, this is my first formal visit. I'm here to listen and learn. I've come to see a range of stakeholders. I've just called on His Excellency the Governor. I'm meeting some of the big British business interests here, calling on businesses that have already invested. I'm interested in understanding both the security and the economic situation because there is a lot of interest from UK business, from the City of London, about potential opportunities in this economy. And of course, the City of London has an interest in rivers because it's such a strategic state. Strategic assets like oil and gas, strategic facilities that facilitate trade for the whole of Nigeria, and indeed strategic institutions, including a big higher education hub here. So I'm here to listen and learn, to get an update on how things are going. I'll be meeting government, business, and of course civil society also.
So will this visit also attract more investors to the state?
I think it's in all our interests to trade, to gain mutual benefits from more investment, and for people in areas such as the South, where livelihoods and jobs are so important, I think it's in our mutual interest to try and enhance our trade and investment partnership generally. I know that times are quite tough now. People are hurting from inflation. The foreign exchange situation is something that we're monitoring, both for business reasons but also for personal reasons. So we're very interested in tracking what's going on. I feel actually quite optimistic that there are huge assets and potential here, and that the big reforms that have been implemented by the federal government, we applaud them. There may be a few bumps in the road, but that road is the right road for Nigeria's security and prosperity going forward. And the UK is here where we're asked both to help, but also to develop those partnerships in security, in defence, in our people-to-people links between our countries, which, as you know, are very strong, including with Rivers State.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.